Wahala be like bicycle. Hey, he get one trending video of Pastor Mildred Okonkwo, where this woman they preach out to a member say we no suppose they vex. If we see their pastors, they get private jets. We see that they fly jets. Say we not supposed they even para about them because say what? Say these pastors they sacrifice a lot. Say in fact the kind of things what they do for us as members, we know they even feel see. So she no can understand why we as members we can they feel bad for all these people. For those who don't know watch this video, they can follow me see.
I could not do my and church members there. If you are a church member like that, repent today. Because pastors' wives will not tell you what they are going through. The day you will do hair, my church money be that. Now my tithes they decide. Now my tithes be this. No, see that coils for back. That one now my first fruits. Meanwhile, you don't know that even the one that pastor is supposed to eat at home, his own, he has sown it. Pastors don't say these things. And then tomorrow you see him flying jet, you'll be angry. You can't be angry because you don't know my sacrifice. You can't be angry. You dare not be.
Mommy Gio, fine and good, we don't hear you. But I beg me, I go like list the things, the sacrifices where these pastors do. Fine, we go talk say they pray, they fast, and all this prayer and fasting, everybody say if you do. So what at all can be the sacrifice? Because if we look this kind of thing, members say they sacrifice pass for all these pastors. Make we reason most of all these church buildings and schools where we say churches they get. Now members money now they capitalize on. Now they used to build that thing. But make these same members now go meet and say, okay, my pikin will attend this school. I swear to God, 5 naira, you know go even afford this fees. The money where they go put as school fees, you know go even afford them. Now na come outside they claim on private jet. I beg, what the pastor won't use private jet? You they fly, go heaven, go meet God for meeting. Because I don't even see the essence of private jet at all. If you see a need, okay, we want travel, enter normal flight. Move like a normal human being and travel. No, but they go waste church money because you know they work. If not church work, they do. How much you won't gather so you can't go buy this kind of thing. So this whole jet thing, honestly, you know even they need for at all. You're not supposed to get them as a pastor because me, I don't see where they go. Last convention, prayers and things. Even God time self in no travel. If even come out, okay, make play, but he no drum. He live low like a normal human being. Follow people they take. Why be so now one can they twist everything? But anyway, I don't want to put mouth inside this church matter. I sure say that the freeze don't get time. He don't they plan how he want to even cancel this whole thing, talk about them. So now hand now we just put this one on, making destroy anyhow we won't crucify this woman, make it crucify her. Because this one where this woman come out, I can't talk for me, no be real talk. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end them on this matter. Make them stay tuned for our next story. This one now message from our daddy Gio, Pastor Adeboye. He don't begin warn our Nigerian politicians. Say this one will be said they don't they plan election for 2023. We never even see 2022 finish. Now don't they make plans. Say make them not to go day certain because of say waiting. Say you know even day certain. Say they go day alive reach 2023. Hey, on a show say no be prophecy be this one. For people who never watch where this man for talk this one. Make now follow me see.
This is 2021. Some people are already getting ready to do themselves over 2023. And they don't even know whether there will be 2023. They don't even know if there is 2023, whether they will still be around. There's nobody here who can say for sure that we will still be around by tomorrow. Nobody. It is God who determines who will still be around by 2023. Somebody said to me, sir, who do you think should be president in 2023? I said, president of where? He said, president of Nigeria. How are you sure there will be Nigeria in 2023? How are you sure? Can you swear? I pray there will be, so don't misquote me. But are you sure? Are you sure?
May I believe say daddy don't see something. Now why ain't when they use scope they talk like this? But for me, it's not me be Pastor Adeboye. I no go even bother one than these politicians. Make all of them just die, they go, because all of us know say they no be better people. All of us they see and say they know they rule this country well. But hopefully we go there alive to see this 2023. But me I still look and say this man a spiritual leader. And they very certain say he must don't see something before he go come outside and talk. So make we as youth come outside they pray, make we dey very prayerful. Make this country and in wahala no go end us. Because me I still dey talk and it be like saying that God they even punish us with all this wahala where they happen. But number one, Buhari, now you this one they go to you and your special leaders. Make na begin go they ask God for forgiveness, because if the thing happen now na go face. Now na corrupt, so all this kind of wahala where they happen now na go follow. Anyway, now this one I'm here. Now make I bring and come. Make na stay tuned for our next story.